Hi Leo, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month, Leo. If the message doesn't resonate with you, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. As this is a general collective energy reading, it may or may not resonate with every single Leo out there. You may also check the description box below, because I've already put out the link for the month of June 2020 reading for you here, Leo. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading. So the first card that I've got for you here, Leo, is the Ten of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, and the Two of Wands here. So I do feel like for those of you here with this Ten of Pentacles coming up first, I do feel like you're currently together with this person. This could be involving marriage, or just like being in a relationship together here, because this Ten of Pentacles is definitely a good omen to get. This is basically an indication of happy home, happy family, happy relationship here. This Five of Swords for you here, Leo, this is basically an indication towards me that there could be some kind of a fight, some kind of a misunderstanding where both of you could actually like having conflict within each other here, Leo. I do feel like could be one of the time where I do feel like one person have decided to quit, or like just to say, okay, screw it, I'm not going to entertain any more fight, while you are the one who is left to actually collect the message, like trying to rekindle the relationship, trying to mend the relationship here, Leo. And the next card I've got here is the Two of Wands. So I do feel like you could have feeling like a little bit indecisive here, Leo, at this point of time, because you're just unsure on how much longer you should wait, on how much longer like this fight is going to take, or on how much longer this person is going to take to come towards you here. Yeah, I do feel like there could be some kind of a separation due to a fight, due to a conflict here. But I do feel like you could have a family with this person, like you could have a children with this person, or you could be will be having a children with this person here with this Ten of Pentacles. I've got the Ace of Cups for you here, Leo. This is basically an indication towards me that both of you has a lots and lots of emotion towards each other here. With this Ace of Cups here, I do feel like there is definitely an overflowing cup of love coming out from you and from your person here. And with this Page of Cups coming up the next here, I do feel like you could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone with a strong water in their chart. With this Page of Cups also, what I'm getting here is that there could be a significant age gap between the two of you. If not, there could be some kind of like an immaturity surrounding this situation here, Leo. I've got the Ten of Wands coming up next for you here. So I do feel like at this point of time, you're just currently feeling overwhelmed and overburdened. You're just basically unsure on what else you need to do here. I do feel like you've been waiting for so long. I do feel like you might be thinking that you have done so many things that you could in the past year to make this relationship work here. I do feel like even you have waited for this person to come back to reconcile with you, but at this point of time here, I do feel like you're just kind of like going to give up, because I do feel like at this point of time you're just unsure on what else you need to do here. The bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the Magician card, which is an indication of a manifestation here. I do feel like you're currently still being manifesting this person to come towards you here, but at this point of time you're just feeling so much of heartbreak, you're just feeling so much of sadness surrounding this situation, that you're slowly losing hope, that you're basically unsure on what else you need to do here. The next card that I've got for you here is the Page of Swords here, which is an indication towards me that the communication might not so be on point, or there could be a little communication here. The Page of Swords is also an indication towards me the energy of someone who is just checking up on you. I do feel like your person is currently could be in this position of like trying to like basically like one foot in, one foot out. I don't think your person has finally 100% committed, like all in coming up towards you here, Leo. I do feel like they're kind of like could be keep checking out on you and like trying to be calculating on how to approach this whole situation all together here. I've got the Three of Cups coming up for you here, Leo. So there could be a third party situation also in this situation. This is basically, again, it doesn't have to be another person. It could be work situation, family, friends, or family members or friends that could be toxic and just actually hurting this situation here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Hierophant, which is an indication of a Taurus or someone with a strong Taurus. You could be dealing with someone with a strong Taurus here. But with this Hierophant card, I'm definitely getting that there could be involvement of marriage, or there could be a marriage before this thing between you and your person fell apart here. The next card that I've got for you here is the Death card, as well as the Star card coming up for you here. So you could be dealing with a strong Scorpio or someone with a strong Aquarius in their chart here. But with this Death card and the Star card, what I'm getting here is there's definitely going to be a new beginning coming up between you and your person. And the Star card here is that at this point of time, this is basically for you, you need to heal. This Star card is definitely an indication of emotional healing coming up between you and your person here, Leo. The next card that I've got for you here is the Fool card. So I do feel like currently, again, I'm getting a lot of indecisiveness energy between you and your person here, Leo. But eventually, I do feel like both of you will finally realizing that that's it. I'm going to take a new leap of faith towards you. I'm going to take a new... And basically, I do feel like your person and you is going to make this decision they are no longer being indecisive here. I do feel like at this point of time here, your person is definitely going to make a decision. Okay, I'm going to take a leap of faith towards them here. I'm going to go for it. That kind of energy here. And I've got the Six of Swords coming out for you. So you could be living out in the distance, or there could be a physical or emotional distance between the two of you here. Something could do with traveling here. But this Six of Swords for me is also an indication towards me that the things between the two of you will be moving up into a much more calmer ground, into a much more calmer water here. So overall, I do feel like your person and you are definitely going to take a leap of faith towards each other here, towards a new journey coming up here. The next card that I've got for you here is the Four of Wands, which is an indication of celebration, marriage. Again, I do feel like there is definitely going to be a marriage between the two of you here, or there was already a marriage between the two of you here, Leo. The next card that I've got for you here is the King of Wands. So I do feel like, yeah, you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But at this point of time, Leo, I'm getting that the month of June will be the month for you where you will be actually healing yourself from this heartbreak here, and basically like finding out yourself that you're basically going to stand in your ground. You're basically not going to tolerate anything that's basically not for your highest good here. And I do feel like both you and your person is definitely going to take a new leap of faith towards a new journey in love here, Leo. So the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Nine of Pentacles. So I do feel like at this point of time, Leo, you could be just want to be single at this point of time, just trying to focusing up on your money, trying to focusing up on building up your finances, because I do feel like you're still having this lots of heartbreak energy that's surrounding yourself here. I do feel like you're basically going to heal those kind of heartbreak first, and then you will decide to actually go in love, like whether you want to be with this person or not. But I do feel like there's definitely a new beginning coming up, a new journey coming up between you and your person here. All right, so the advice card that I've got for you here, Leo, is the Five of Wands. So again, I do feel like there could be lots of conflicts, misunderstanding, fight, argument that could be happening between the two of you here, Leo. The next card that I've got for you here is the Ten of Swords. So I do feel like you could be feeling a little bit betrayed because of all this situation here. You could be feeling a little bit betrayed because this person might have chosen someone else, to go with someone else instead of to be with you here. And I've got the Eight of Wands coming up for you here, Leo. So I do feel like you will definitely be noticing that things are going to take off in a positive way, in a positive manner here for you, Leo. Again, I've got the Four of Pentacles here. So I do feel like at this point of time, you're just going to be alone. You're just going to, like, you might have made the decision to just go within yourself, just to heal yourself here before going to any other relationship here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Knight of Pentacles. So this card is basically the slowest moving energy in the deck. So definitely I'm seeing a reconciliation. I'm seeing a second chance between you and your person here. But this is definitely going to be ultimately your choice at this point of time, whether you want to be with this person, or whether you want to, like just basically staying single without having any worries at all. At this point of time, Leo, I do feel like you're definitely going to be staying alone. Like you're just basically going to be focusing up on yourself here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you for your channel message here is emotional healing. Again, so I do feel at this point of time you just could be focusing up on healing your emotion here, healing all this heartbreak that you might be facing. The channel message that I've got for you here, Leo, is trust in the divine timing and abuse or abusive relationship. So I do feel like at this point of time we're just going to make the decision to trust in the divine timing. I do feel like you or your person could actually be currently, like, could be going through this abusive cycle or abusive relationship here. So if this is something to do with abusive relationship between you and your previous partner, I would say think twice before going to it again. But again, I do feel like you need to go through a lot of emotional healing first before going to a new journey here, Leo. Alright, that's it for your June 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.